We picked up a puncture where we were camping this week. So today I'm going to show you how to take out the nail or the screw and be able to plug the tyre as well. This is a kit I always carry on the bike. It's a high level puncture repair kit, or a plug kit as it's known, but I've also made some adjustments and added a few other bits to it. Always comes with me. This is the first time I've had to use it on the GS, but I've used this on cars and other bikes with no issue at all. So let's get into it. So find the culprit. There's there. Looks like some sort of a screw. Take a Leatherman or similar, remove the screw or the bolt. You're going to get two tools with the kit. The first one is for making this hole a lot cleaner and bigger for when you need to plug it. Once it's inserted, run it back and forward a couple of times and the hole will be big enough. You're taking the second tool from the kit and you're going to thread through one of the rubber plugs. So I have a couple of different ones here. I'm going to use the black one in this case. And they're soft and sticky. Once you start to thread it through, you should be able to grab it with your pliers and bring it to the halfway point. Once you've got that done, you're going to take some of the rubber cement or rubber solution. You're going to use this as a lube. Lube up the strip. Make sure you get it all around. You're not going to be able to use this a second time, so you might as well just use it all up. Find that hole again. Rubber cement on it. And insert the plug. Once it's gone in, it's hard to see, but there's two strands. There's one strand here and one strand here. Get it in enough and pull it back out. Now what you need to do is tidy this area up. Take a little blade and you're going to be cutting off these strips. Give it a wipe down, pump it up with air and have a look at it again. So it's inflated up to 42 psi and it's holding the air fine. That's the repair. Still a little bit of wet with the cement, but that'll dry out very shortly. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.